Hello students, this is the fourth and last part of our chapter, the triangle and its properties. In this part, first we will discuss about what is Pythagoras theorem, and after that we will solve exercise 6.5 which is based on it. As students, you know that the Pythagoras theorem is applicable to right angle triangle, so it is important for us to know what is right angle triangle or right triangle. As I have already discussed with you the various types of triangle in detail, but here again we discuss about the right triangle and what are the specific name given to sides of a right angle triangle. So let us see. So a triangle in which one of its angle measures 90 degree is a right triangle. It means we can say, you know that a triangle has three angles. If one of the angle measures 90 degree, then such a triangle is known as right triangle. As you can see in this figure, LMN, we can say this is a right triangle because here the angle L measures 90 degree. So triangle LMN is a right triangle. Okay students, now there are some specific names given to sides of a right angle triangle. The side which is opposite to the right angle, that is 90 degree angle, is known as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. The side opposite to 90 degree. Okay. And the remaining two sides other than hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is known as its legs. So legs of right triangle is what? The other two sides than hypotenuse. So if we talk about this right angle triangle LMN, then here you can see that angle L measures 90 degree and the side which is opposite to the angle N is MN. So we can say in this right angle triangle, the line segment MN is the hypotenuse. Now you can see in this triangle the other two sides than the hypotenuse is LM and LN. So we can say line segment LM and LN are its legs. So I hope it is clear that what are the specific name of a sides of right angle triangle. Now what is Pythagoras theorem? So Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angled triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the square on the legs. Let us understand with the given triangle ABC. So in this triangle ABC, you can see that the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Why? Because angle B measures 90 degree. And if angle B measures 90 degree, then the side opposite to this angle is AC. Hence we can say here AC is hypotenuse. And the sides other than AC are AB and BC. So we can say AB and BC are its legs. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we can write in this triangle hypotenuse square, that is AC square, is equals to sum of the square on the legs, that is sum of the squares of the side AB and BC. AB square plus BC square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem which is applicable for a right angle triangle. Now students, we will solve exercise 6.5 which is based on Pythagoras theorem. So our first problem is PQR is a triangle right angled at P. If PQ is equals to 10 centimeter and PR is equals to 24 centimeter, then find QR. So first, in order to solve this, let us draw the triangle PQR. Okay. So first we draw a triangle PQR, which is right angled at P. So let us suppose this is the triangle PQR, PQR, which is right angled at P. Here you can see it measures 90 degree. And if angle P measures 90 degree, then we know the side opposite to angle P is known as hypotenuse. Hence we can say QR is the hypotenuse. QR is the hypotenuse. And the other two sides, that is PQ and PR, are its legs. PQ and PR are its legs. Now we can apply Pythagoras theorem because this is a right angle triangle. So we can write by Pythagoras theorem, we have hypotenuse square, that is QR. QR square is equals to sum of square on its legs, that is square of PQ plus square of PR. PQ square plus PR square. Now let us see, in this question it is given that PQ measures 10 centimeter, that is the length of PQ is 10 centimeter, and PR measures 24 centimeter, that is this length PR measures 24 centimeter. Okay, now we can put the values in this equation. So here we have QR square is equals to PQ square, means 10 square, 10 square plus PR square means 24 square. So QR square is equals to 10 square means 100 plus 24 square means 576. Now what we get? QR square is equals to 100 plus 576, that is 676 centimeter square. Now from here we can write QR is equals to square root of 676 centimeter. So what you know, 676 is the square root of 26, hence we have QR is equals to 26 centimeter. Okay, so this is the value of QR. The next question we have, angle Q and R of a triangle PQR are 25 degree and 65 degree. As you can see in this triangle, the measure of the angle Q is 25 degree and angle R is 65 degree. Then write which of the following is true. PQ square plus QR square is equals to RP square. PQ square plus RP square is equals to QR square. And third is RP square plus QR square is equals to PQ square. Now first let us see this triangle. In this triangle you can see there are three angles, angle P, angle Q and angle R. If two angle measures are given 25 degree and 65 degree, then we can find the measure of the third angle, that is angle P, by using the angle sum property. By angle sum property, you know that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So first let us find the measure of the angle P. So we can write, we know the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So what we can write for this particular triangle PQR, that is angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equals to 180 degree. Or we can write, now let us put the values of the given angles. So we don't know the value of angle P, plus angle Q is 25 degree plus angle R is 65 degree, which is equals to 180 degree. Or we can write angle P plus 25 and 65 comes out to be 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. Or we can write from here angle P is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree, which comes out to be 90 degree. It means the measure of angle P is 90 degree. Hence we can say this is the 90 degree. And if this is 90 degree, then it means PQR is a right angle triangle. So PQR, triangle PQR is a right triangle. That is, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Now let us see the sides. So here you can see that the side QR is opposite to the 90 degree angle. It means this is hypotenuse. Okay, and the other two sides, that is PQ and PR, are its legs. So if we apply the Pythagoras theorem in this particular triangle, then what we can write? Hypotenuse square QR square is equals to square of its legs, that is PQ square plus RP square. Okay, so this is the correct relation between the hypotenuse and its legs. Now let us see the parts given. PQ square plus QR square is equals to RP square. So here you can see this is the PQ and QR, means leg square plus hypotenuse square is equals to leg square. So this is not correct. So we can write this is false. Why? Because we know. Now let us see this PQ square plus RP square is equals to QR square. PQ square plus RP square is equals to QR square. So this is correct because here you can see the square of the legs of a right angle triangle is equals to square of the hypotenuse. So this is true. Now let us see the third one. In this part we have given RP square plus QR square is equals to PQ square. RP square plus QR square, that is hypotenuse square is equals to PQ square. That is, it means that leg square plus hypotenuse square is equals to square of the another leg. So this is false. Why it is false? Because we know. Now let us see the next question. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and a diagonal is 41 centimeter. So let us see the solution. So first we will draw a rectangle. Suppose this is our rectangle A, B, C, okay, in which BD is a diagonal. Okay, BD is a diagonal. Now students, you know that every angle in a rectangle is equal to 90 degree. That is, this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, and this is also 90 degree. Okay. Now here, according to question, we can say that the length of the rectangle is given as 40 centimeter. So this is the AB is the length of this rectangle. So it is given as 40 centimeter. And a diagonal is given which is of 41 centimeter. So BD is a diagonal. So let us say this is equals to 41 centimeter. Okay. Now here you can see that AD is the breadth of this rectangle. Now, if we apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABD, why? Because ABD is a right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Again you can see that angle A measures 90 degree. So the side which is opposite to angle A is BD. Hence we can say in this triangle ABD, BD is the hypotenuse and the other two sides AB and AD are its legs. So when we apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle ABD, then we can write by Pythagoras theorem we have in triangle ABD. Hypotenuse square, that is BD square, is equals to sum of the square of its legs, that is square of AB plus square of AD. AB square plus AD square, where AD is the breadth of this rectangle. Now here we have the value of BD, that is 41. 41 square is equals to AB. AB is given as 40, so we can write 40 square plus AD square. Now it implies that AD square is equals to 41 square minus 40 square, or we can write AD square is equals to 41 square means 1681 minus 40 square is 1600. So from here we get AD square is equals to 1681 minus 1600, 81 centimeter square. Okay, all these are centimeter square. Now from here we can write AD is equals to square root of 81 centimeter, which implies that AD is equals to 9 centimeter. Okay, so we have the breadth of this rectangle as 9 centimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter. We have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So you know perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle is equals to twice of length plus breadth. So here you can see the length is AB, so we can write AB plus breadth is AD. Now let us put the values. AB is equals to 40 centimeter plus AD is equals to 9 centimeter. So we get 2 into 40 plus 9, 49 centimeter, which is equals to 98 centimeter. Okay, hence we can say the perimeter of the rectangle, the perimeter of the rectangle is 98 centimeter.